Guys, this is not even they call it a trail, but I don't think it's a freaking trail really. This is right here. It's really up there. I think I just gotta climb up. And I think we're on a trail right now. This is horrible. What do you call this again? Huh?
Smash face.
It's called Smash Face Trail, which I'm gonna smash Matt Face in about an hour, because the gentleman on the stores over there, he goes like, yeah, it's very nice, till you go like, holy crap, dude, are you kidding me right now? No shit, nobody does this trail. Steep as hell. Dude, are you kidding me right now? Holy, dude. This is not hiking, this is climbing, bro.
This is mountain biking, dude.
Dude, you can't fucking do mountain bike on this.
Yeah, dude,
Holy cow, this is straight ahead, guy. That's over there. Dude, this is gnarly. This is crazy, guys. Not gonna look backward. Do not look backward, Rami. Don't look backward. Even shit, it may have some problem going up. Wow. Wow. Oh. Whew. Oh, look at the hawk. Right there. He scared it. I don't think nobody been this trip, because that's not a trail, man. Dude, this is gnarly. Guys, we just literally climbed it. This is done. And smash face. Smash face. Holy crap, dude. I'm out of it. Yeah. Today, March 24th, guys, 2011. Me and Matt hiking Smash Face Trail. It's in the Silverado Canyon. There's a bunch of crosses right there. Bet you people died on this trail. It's a guarantee. Because that is, holy crap, dude. Alright, I'll let you guys go now. I'll be back. This is the crosses right there. No idea what the hell they're doing there. Actually, people died there. Alright, take guys there. Guys, I'm out of breath. This trail is so steep. It's steeper than Billy Goat in Casper Park, guys. Really steep. Matt's right there, and there's nothing but uphill. It's not even a portion of it like easy. It's all going uphill. Like, you know, sometimes some trails, most of the trails, they're really steep. Then you get like portion really nice and flat. This one got nothing. Just this is straight up. That's all the way up top right there. Right there. He's climbing it. And I'm out of breath. This is one of the steepest trail I've ever been on. And it's called Smash Face Trail in Silverado Canyon, probably Boundary National Forest, line behind this sign. Now we're entering National Forest behind this boundary. This is gnarly. Look at that. All the way to the top. Jesus. Man! Man, you're crazy! Oh, I gotta take a picture for you like that. Okay guys, this is me and Matt hiking Smash Face Trail in the Silverado Canyon. Okay, so I'm out. Guys, this is freaking steep. I have to stop for a sec. Matt, on top.
You know how there's beginner, intermediate, and advanced hikes?
What is it? Advanced and intermediate?
And beginner?
Yeah, I know what that means.
Intermediate and advanced?
Yeah?
Taking you on all those, this is the extreme hike.
Oh my god, no shit. Guys, this is one of the most extreme hike you taken on. Look at the hill. I just, wow, man, my calf's just burning right now. Look down there. And like I said, just keep going up and up. Straight up. This is gnarly, man. You're a crazy son of a gun. Guys, this trail's kicking my ass. So this trail got named by the Mountain Warrior Society. It's a biking club. They, when the county and Forestry Service and whoever made it, they created it. Then the Mountain Warriors, they went on a bike ride on it, and one of the members of the Mountain Variety was going deep really fast on a bike, probably 750 miles an hour going down, and he crashed in a, like almost end of the beginning of the trail, so they give a name Smash Face. And this, honestly say, one of the steepest freaking hike I ever did. I know there's a lot of hike, there's a lot of steep hills, but this one brought all of them to shame. Okay, I was there, I don't know how the hell I got here. Slowly, man, is a very good hiker. I had me about 40 yards. He just keep going. And I gotta try to keep going. So remember, see these gloves out here? I had 5 stitches in my finger yesterday. Okay, I was barbecuing, and I should say I was grilling, and I used a piece of glass about 15 by 20 inches to get some air to the fire, and the dumbass, me, RAMIDOGG, the thing broke in the air and just cut my middle fingers really deep, about 3/4 inch deep. So we have to do 5 stitches yesterday. But that's no excuse for me not to go hiking today. So, but man, look at me. He's up, but this is not up. This ride, this hike, about 6 miles, took you all the way to the main divide. But we're not going. We're just gonna go 3 miles. We don't have time, and I can't. This is my first time doing it. I gotta do it a couple of times, 3 miles partials, then we'll try to do the whole thing. So, alright guys, talk to you guys there. Guys, we're so up here, I can't see Irvine Lake. This is Irvine Lake right here. Okay, this is awesome. This is a valley, beautiful valley looks right here. Silverado Canyon right here. That's the city of Silverado. Man, this is gorgeous. And Matt way up there. He's way up there now. Great views from here, guys. You know, think about hiking, do it for fun. Like me. Alright. I will make all my goals when I go hiking. But take your time. Have fun. Take a friend. Alright? Go hiking. Get the hell out of the city. You know, forget the bells. Forget about all the stupid stuff you guys have. I have nothing in my life. I just have fun. I'm always having fun. I have nothing bad in my life. But when you go out there and see gorgeous views like that, your mind, your brain, every gold and purple, white, red cell in your body will open up. Alright? I gotta keep up going. Matt's on top. It's actually not the top, trust me. It's really steep. He's above me right now. Okay? He's probably 100 yards up this way now. So I'll talk to you guys there.